My name is Shannon Fargo. I'm an automotive instructor here at Oklahoma Technical College and the automotive department head. With NATEF certification, we are all 8 areas of ASC certification. So from engines to transmissions, brakes, steering, suspension, air conditioning, electrical, electronics, we cover all 8 areas. We try to encourage our students to gear toward a dealership level position, which will have all the latest and greatest information, but that isn't the only position available. Our graduates are also perfectly capable of functioning in an independent shop where you'll work on a multitude of makes, models, and years with the same level of skill that you'll need at the dealership. The same requirements as far as research to diagnostic information, electrical testing, troubleshooting, trying to determine the cause of a failure to save the customer time and money. We push the student. We have a year with you in our program, and so I say jokingly that you don't get to take me with you at graduation. My goal is to train you to be independent where you don't need me. And if I can do that in our time together, then you're going to be a much better diagnostician in the field. Currently our program is 9 months in length. We have daytime classes from 7 to noon and evening classes from 5:30 to 10:30. You're on campus 4 days a week with your hybrid Fridays as an independent assignment. We would love to have you stop by the school, visit the auto program, diesel program, HVACR program, welding or electrical. Our goal is to take you and help you become a skilled professional in any of these career fields.